Hello Jutta family, this is the volunteer room, cluttered, same as the bathroom. Now I have sadly a very ill, poorly Fynn. He's been with me for a few days now. He's been to the vet several times, almost every day. He's very ill. He's very weak as well. He's such a good boy. He gets up to do his own wee-wees, even though he can barely stand by himself. He's on 2 types of antibiotics. He is on fluids. He's on sodium chloride and also lactate. And we give him chicken broth. There's little cannula. He's very poorly. He almost died, and IOANNIS actually saw him fast enough to rush to the vet. He's got Ehrlichia, but the antibiotics, I don't know, they don't seem to be working, so we think he's got an underlying health issue which we're not yet sure about what it may be. He has the underheat pad that Mario and Elke donated, really useful, and because he does have hypothermia if we're not super careful. So yeah, a few days it's been like that. We just don't know. IOANNIS is really upset because Fynn was one of Jutta's dogs as well. Well, now look at that, how lovely. IOANNIS really likes this. This picture looks very nice here. Very nice. So this is volunteer room stroke hospital ward. Oh yeah, I'll show you. This is the baby microwave and all the dishes he's been using. And this is the baby oven, and I'm so pleased because he will not have to cook outside. Quick peek. That's the stove and the sink. So if it's raining, he can actually come inside, which is great. Have all the kitchen utensils here, so never mind the desk. Don't need the desk anyway. And the fridge. And I actually don't mind, because we sit here for dinner and we chat. Now Schlumpy does come here with the other little grey cat, and if I am in the room, they will run around and have a little fun, but then I put them in a very large dog carrier to sleep overnight, because I don't want them disturbing Fynn. Such a good boy, so weak, so poorly, and does not pee or poo on the bed. He will get up to do it on the floor, and then he's too weak to hop back on the bed, so we have to carry him. So very sad. Thank you very much, Jutta family, for your support. We couldn't have taken him to the vet the many times we did. At one point we were doing daily visits, if we didn't have you helping us. Oh, and that's where the little cats will eventually sleep. Bye bye for now.